Jojo, you snore a lot. And you sound like a dying pig. I can hear it under my blanket and under my bed. And it goes... I'll even show you. Yeah, that's your snoring.